superhumans, my name is Adhiambo Oguna, your erotic auntie, any day, anytime. So today we are introducing this YouTube channel, Eva Oguna, a YouTube channel that will be catering for your sexual issues, erotic issues. It's very, very educational, and the things that will be found here are how to live a healthy sex life, how to live a healthy relationship, how to live your everyday everything to do with your cleanliness, everything to do with your bedroom education, everything to do with whatever you are doing in your bedroom. So I've realized so many people are not so comfortable to watch on social media because definitely they are afraid, they never want to come out to be seen as watching erotic content. So that's the reason why we are here. And also on Facebook, there are things that Zuckerberg will not allow us to do over there. There is a language that we cannot be using on Facebook. Like so many times my content is flagged off. I do a lot of content, but a lot of it is flagged off by Facebook, and it's because of the erotic language that I must use. So that is why we are moving this side. So we will just be putting little short clips on Facebook just to guide you on this one any day and any time that we upload something that is new. So the content here will be more educative, it will be more erotic, it will be more sensational, and it will be very, very sexual. Okay, so yeah, invite someone to come and subscribe to keep us going, to keep us creating this content every now and then, so that your issues of the bedroom are catered for. So the things we are going to be tackling, just the same way I've said, it's gonna be erotic. Amongst the fast topics are issues that people have been asking a lot. Issues of orgasms, issues of creaming, issues of squirting, and yeah, everything bedroom, everything handling your woman, everything handling your man, yeah, everything nudity, everything bare minds, everything like you came on earth naked. Okay, so yeah, we are gonna be starting very, very soon. So today I'm here to invite you to subscribe. Everything is going to be catering for you. Invite your friend, invite your spouse, invite your go-to girl, invite your side chick, I don't know, invite your side man, invite your side frog, invite your side sidwikianoa. Every person should subscribe to this because sex is health, sex is life. Sawa sawa. Thank you. Goodbye. Karibuni to my YouTube channel, Eva Oguna. Till next time, karibuni sana.